That tough for Corey. This is what I see. This is one of the only options I see that he has to. That's so. See, that's his cue ball control. It's
Nice.
phenomenal. I mean, right there. That's it. I mean, he.
何
And I see the man coming right here. So, when the man walks in, just get out of his way.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to go ahead and do that.
Okay.
Yeah, boy.
Magandang hapon mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Efren Reyes Reaction and Commentary Videos. For today's reaction video, ito pag-usapan natin isa pang napakaganda at napaka-exciting heel-to-heel match between Efren Reyes the Magician versus dito kay Corey Deuel, isa sa pinakamagagaling na one packet player ng US, no. Ginanap ito noong 2011. Ito yung US Open One Packet Championship. Nasa semifinals na sila at dito nga maglalaban sila ng one packet race to 5 at magja-jump tayo ng score. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa all 4. Tabla tayo dito mga kabilyard, no? At nandito nga pwedeng manalo ng $18,000 ang mananalo sa championship match. Nandito ngayon at nakatayo itong si Corey Deuel. Medyo wala pa silang score at maganda yung pagkaka-break ni Reyes, no? Hindi ito basta-bastang tira lang at ang pwesto ni Reyes ay nasa kanan, bottom right pocket, at yung pwesto naman nitong si Corey ay nasa left bottom pocket. Yan ang kanilang designated pocket area. Kaya itong si Corey mukhang walang possible shot at walang possible pocket dito, kaya malamang magpe-play safe muna itong si Corey.
That's so. See, that's his cue ball control. It's phenomenal.
Nice.
Right there. That's it. I mean, he just nice job. If that ball happened to freeze to that ball now it's all.
Yeah.
That's a whole different shot too. That's what one pack is. The difference of a fraction.
We've got a pretty good crowd in here tonight. We've had a good crowd in here all day, really, for most of the match.
Yeah, it's been just a great tournament.
At dito nga mukhang magbabang shot itong si Efren Reyes, no, para makapasok dito sa kanyang designated area. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Okay. This is my great friend.
At dyan nga, simula nang pumuntos itong si Efren Reyes at nakakuha siya ng magandang available shot dito sa next object ball niya, itong 7, no? Dapat makapasok ng 8 balls yung mananalo dito sa kanyang designated packet. At yan nga, naka 2 balls na itong si Efren Reyes sa kanyang designated packet. Ang score natin ngayon mga kabilyard, parehong 4, no? At ito nga, heel-to-heel match tayo dito. Napakatindi ng labanan na ito. Umabot na ng 3 oras ito mga kabilyard. Kaya ito nga, hihimayin lang natin itong final rock. At dito mukhang naka 3 out of 8 na itong si Efren Reyes. At ito, aiming pa siya dito sa 4. At tingnan natin kung pumasok ito. Pasok yung 4 ito. Pumuntos na naman si Reyes. 4/8 na score natin at may possible shot pa rin siya dito sa 5 para mag 5/8. So sundan natin yan mga kabilyard.
Running ball. So
Yeah, well, Corey made a very good shot to get out of the break. He just, if he froze to this ball that he kicked at earlier, he wouldn't have been in this spot. But being late, Billy, to commentate isn't as big of a penalty as being late for a match here because the one game, one of the players was late. And if you missed the...
At dyan nga, pumasok yung dos na yun. 6/8 na si Reyes. 2 bola na lang para maipanalo niya itong semifinal match. At dito nga, medyo alanganin naman ang posisyon ng cue ball dahil nasa likuran ng cluster, no? At opposite dito sa kanyang object, ay sa kanyang designated pocket area dito sa bandang kanan sa ibaba. At walang possible shot si Reyes dito, kaya tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ni Reyes.
I'll tell you what. Let's get back to this game.
Okay,
Here,
well,
forget
I
about all
just
this
want to let you
nonsense.
know that you have no penalty for being late, that's all.
Well, I
I
appreciate.
just wanted to let them know you're not getting penalized here.
Okay,
Okay, Bill.
looks like Reyes has. Let me see. As I believe 6 balls. If providing that Duel doesn't have a ball, there's 9 balls left on the table. 6
Yes, he
missing.
does. Efren's winning 6-0.
So Reyes has 6 balls. Okay, Duel at the table. Looks like he's looking to kick the 13 ball. And then if he happens to hit it fairly decently, the cue ball should end up in the stack. Let's take a look at it. Okay, that's what happened. That's an excellent shot, by the way.
Beautiful shot.
Yeah, excellent shot. Many people probably was wondering what he could possibly do, including myself. He immediately went to the kick shot, which put Reyes in some sort of a situation now. Reyes will have to take a look at it. And he's the master out of circumventing situations like this. You know, he'll kick possibly behind the 13. If he needs to, he'll kick softly and underneath the 13, avoiding a scratch. I see that's a possible option. He's not going to just jump at that option. He's going to take another look around. And when he decides what to do, I'm certainly sure he's going to choose the correct shot.
Yeah, I agree with you totally, Billy. The magician gets out of some really tight spots. And Corey's been playing so well and putting people in some real tough spots. He's been, kicking well and shooting well, running a lot of balls, controlling the cue ball, like I said earlier, very well.
Okay, Reyes is opting to go four cushions into the 13 ball. Okay, and he hit it with the speed to shorten it up because that's what he needed to do to go.
Looks like he hit it perfect.
4 cushions.
At dyan nga mukhang na-foul dito si Efren Reyes dyan sa forehand kick shot na yan. Kaya nagbalik siya ng bola, 5-8 pa rin, no? O 5/8 ang score natin. Nakakalamang pa rin na 5 bola si Reyes at dito si Duel Corey wala pa rin na ipapasok, no? Kaya tingnan natin kung anong gagawin dito ni Duel.
Stack. You see, he's going to come off he's coming off the 6 to do it, but I thought he would come off the 3.
He opted to try to go for the 6 ball. And, there's a possibility he could have pocketed the 6 because he had a couple different ways of pocketing the 6. But that's one of the very few shots that I've seen him hit poorly. Now he's back in his chair. Reyes is at the table. He leads 6-0 in the match. And he would like to...
5-0.
5-0.
I personally, I didn't agree with that shot. I thought he could have put Efren in a tougher spot. Do you agree with that, Bill? He could have put him against the stack.
Well, he's thinking a little more aggressively now, trailing 5-0. I'm not going to fault him for his way of thinking, but I like your shot as well, coming off the 3, repositioning the cue ball in the stack. Reyes repositioning the cue ball in the stack, cutting off a lot of the possible options that Duel could have had he not repositioned.
At dyan nga mukhang maganda ang pagkaka-play safe ni Reyes, no? Inilayo niya yung isang bola para may tago niya naman dito sa cluster ball itong cue ball. Kaya dahil dyan, walang possible packet ulit itong si Corey Duel, no? Ang score natin, lamang si Reyes ng 5 bola, 5/8 na, 3 bola na lang at mananalo si Efren Reyes dito sa rack na ito at sa match nila. Tingnan natin kung anong diskarte dito ni Corey Duel.
So when he gets back to the table, chances are that he'll be able to play an up-table game by maybe hitting a couple balls or shooting a couple balls up-table. Leading 5-0, it'll be advisable for him to play an up-table game. But Reyes really doesn't think like that. He really doesn't think about repositioning balls up-table just because he has a 5-ball lead.
So he stays pretty offensive, stays aggressive.
He just seems to play his game until it's to the point where it's obvious that he must put balls up table. But right now, to him, it's not really that important for him to put balls up table. So I don't really look for him to try to force that issue and try to put balls up table. But I guess if it's there for him, he will. He's certainly smart enough to put a couple balls out of play.
Well, Corey, he's trying to do the opposite and not do that, but he's in a pretty tight spot where I believe he's going to be forced to do something with the 6 ball.
Well, he can hit the 6-ball full in the face, banking at 3 cushions and repositioning it on his side of the table. Sticking the cue ball right where the 6 is now. But he hasn't hit this shot hard enough to reposition the 6-ball somewhere around the side pocket where he is, where he's standing over now. Let's take a look at it.
He's trying to just, yeah.
Well, that's good because now Reyes can't cross the 13 ball
Exactly.
without running the risk of selling out the 6 ball. So Reyes is going to have to look elsewhere. And I do believe that he's going to elevate and come off the 3 ball and start pushing balls up table because now, you know, he doesn't have an offensive shot, so he'll have to try to push balls up table. And leading 5-0, I think that's something that he may take a look at.
Yeah, and he'd like to accomplish that.
At dyan nga mukhang pinahirapan din si Efren Reyes, no? Kaya mapipilitan si Reyes talaga dito na mag-play safe muna at pagbigyan siguro ng isang tira itong si Duel. Pero dito nga sa play safe ulit ni Reyes na yan, medyo alanganin. Walang possible shot maliban lang dito sa ball number 6 nun na pwede niyang ibang shot. Tingnan natin kung anong discarded dito ni Corey Duel.
I see Corey looking at the combination, kicking into the combination on the 3 ball, Bill.
Yeah, he's going to kick into the stack again with enough speed to maybe position a ball by his side.
Yeah, he did a great job.
At dito nga mukhang alanganin yung ginawa ni Corey Duel na yan. Sumabog, no, yung cluster, kaya nagkaroon ng possible shot dito si Reyes sa isang bola na ito para sa kanyang designated area. Tingnan natin kung maabot ni Reyes ito at umovertake pa siya ng isang bola. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
He really doesn't have a choice because he can't kick the 3 in. If he kicks the 3 in, then Duel will bank the 15 ball. So therefore, kicking the 3 in really isn't a solution to the problem.
I see that.
So
But he did let him see it. When he first shot it, I didn't realize that he did have this opening right here.
Okay, now the picture that we see on the monitor doesn't justify the difficulty of the shot. That's a very difficult shot.
At dyan nga sa tira na yun ni Reyes, pumasok yung 15 sa kanyang designated pocket area. Ang score natin ngayon, 6/8 na, no? Malapit na matapos si Reyes dito. 2 bola na lang. Possible na manalo si Reyes. Pero tingnan natin kung makaposition siya dito pagkatapos niyang ipasok ang ball number 7, no? Medyo mahirap ito, kailangan pinahin, pero tingnan natin kung kakayanin niya ni Reyes.
But that's certainly not going to deter him from shooting it. He cuts balls so thinly and well that particular shot offered no.
At dyan nga, swak na swak yung 7, no? Ngayon, mayroon siyang chance para dito sa isang strike ball sa kanyang designated pocket area. Medyo alanganin lang yung posisyon dahil nakadikit sa rail itong cue ball. Pero tingnan natin at malay natin, baka matsambahan ito ni Reyes, bagamat long shot yan, no? Mahirap. At kailangan ni Reyes ng isa pang tira para manalo na dito sa laban na ito. Panoorin natin kung anong discard dito ni Efren Reyes.
I think he's going to come off the 11 ball and reposition the 11 ball somewhere around the area where the 10 ball is.
But where is the cue ball? How is he not going to leave the 3 ball?
Well, because the cue ball is going to come in between the 10, or excuse me, the 14 and the cushion. Now, if he comes off the 11 ball, now he took a look at coming off of the stripe ball. I believe that's the 14 ball. That's the ball on top of the 3 ball. Let's see what he does here. He's going to softly roll this.
Well, he left Corey. Corey has a chance. And I'll tell you, if there's somebody that can run a lot of balls, it's Corey.
At dyan nga, medyo sumablay si Reyes doon sa kanyang tira na yun ng bank shot. Pero malamang hindi yung bank shot, nag-play safe lang dito si Reyes. Pero ganun pa man, may available shot dito sa 3, no? Kaya may chance si Corey na makahabol at makaposisyon ngayon dahil sabog na yung bola, maganda na yung layout ng table.
It looks like when Corey shoots this shot, he's going to have to go around the table. And from the angle that's offered off the 3 ball, he's going to go long here.
At dito nga aiming sa 3, pasok yan, kaya umovertake ng umandar ng isang puntos, no, itong si Corey Deuel. 1/8 ang score natin, at kay Reyes naman ay 7/8. Sa ganung paraan medyo nakakalamang dito si Reyes dahil final match ito, at pwedeng manalo ng isang puntos itong si Reyes dahil nga last ball na lang siya, 7/8.
11, and it did go. And the 11 does go, but that's irrelevant right now.
Now, Corey's going to have to be careful here because the 13 ball positioned at the other end of the table there, or up from the 10, is a ball he's going to have to defend against. Now, that's the best way to defend against it, and that's to go into it.
At dyan nga mukhang maganda na naman yung pagkaka-play safe ni Efren Reyes, no, dito sa katunggali niyang isang player. At dito makikita natin medyo maganda yung kalat ng bola, pero yung position ng cue ball medyo mahirap yan. Kaya tingnan natin kung anong diskarte ni Reyes.
Cross-corner bank. That's really not advisable. If I were he, I would take a look at the 11 ball and try to do something with the 11 ball, repositioning the cue ball underneath the 10, going to the side cushion with the cue ball. He's opting to go to the 6-9 ball now.
I like your shot, Billy. I like your shot coming off the 11 like he is looking at. Now I believe he's going to shoot this. I like that shot a lot better than doing anything with the 6 and 9.
See, when he came off the 11 ball, he was assured that he would put the 11 ball relatively out of play. That's almost guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed coming off the 6-9, but at least that's guaranteed, and he has 7 balls. That's 2 balls in the freezer now.
At ganyan nga, sumablay itong si Corey, no, sa kanyang bank shot na yan, hindi umubra, napalakas pa, kaya nag-bounce back papunta dito kay Reyes. Dahil dyan, very disappointed itong si Corey, alam na niya, dahil tutok na nga itong just na ito sa designated pocket area ni Reyes, at nasa last ball na lang siya, kaya alam na this, mukhang matatalo si Deuel dito. Ito, panalo si Reyes, 8/8, at 5-4 ang score natin, nakalamang dyan si Efren Bata Reyes. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video.